MeghalayaPost.news.
Kumshi bentaban kantiwe ke jingkhu jing suba bat ban pene pensa e kamai mariang hakithan Patharkhmah ka office jong SDO Patharkhmah Civil Subdivision harun kat ka jing trailang bat ka office Deputy Commissioner Karibhoi District lembat ka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency MBMA menta ka singi kila pelat paj ba no ya ka waina ka program balatip kum ka Green Force Patharkhmah ha ka jingelang ka balalong ha Patharkhmah Community Hall ha ka ni ka singi lawan ban sakilang do MLA ka jirang bat ubadairu menteri ketenat sin RD uba sustenance sotun kumukongsan balasaki da kajingdon lang SDO ka Patharkhmah Civil Subdivision uchai thania awas ting uba petal thangkhiu rangba shnong Patharkhmah samla bhabok walang President ka Patharkhmah Youth Club and Social Welfare Organization lembat kiwei pat ki rangba bat kinong yalam shnong ka Green Force Patharkhmah ka don ka thong ban pen khlanya ka jingitre lang hapdeng ki shnong bat ki pajba alangba ka Inter Village Development Championship na ka benta ban penne ya kiwa ki bakhut ya ka meimaryang bat banwanra ya ka jingkhut ka jingsuba shak shnong ki thau habakran hakani ka jingelang uba sosne sotun ula baka jungi menta pajba kalong kabadon kam ban pen urlong ya kum gini ki program ula kenturu ya ki pajba bakin tres tom lang ban sumare kamaryang bat ban pene ya ka saudong saukun ka bakhut hakani ka sngi la samru ikitiar ban pen khu nyun kum ki duty boots ki gloves bat ki wei kum shibenta ban kershan ya ka jingtre kam jong kene ka program hadien belakut ka program la penlong ru ya ka cleaning drive hamadan football ka western ribhoi bat haki benta jong ki surong hagate ka jaka haka bau MLA ka jirang ula shimenta lang ringkat bat ki pajba ban pen khu ya ki saudong kisaukun lengba kani kajing lang masaki shai ba kajing shimta shirhem jong ki pajba kapen i ya kajing angnut bani trelang ha kajing da maryang bat banwanra ya kajing khu ha ka imlang kasalang.
We are gathered here today for the official launch of the Green Force of Patharkhmah Civil Subdivision. The aim of the Green Force is to promote cleanliness, protect the environment and create awareness among the community. Nature is the place where your soul goes free. And nature is not only a place to visit. Nature is our home. So we must keep clean and green. Thank you for your valuable time to all the officers, SDO, especially to our local MLA, and to all the members and the youth who are present here. We are looking forward to an enriching experience. Thank you.
So we are really grateful. I would also like to take this opportunity to briefly correct the headman when he said that this Green Force was my vision. I might have implemented it, but to be very honest, I think in one of the first discussions when I joined with Honorable Minister Sir, we had a discussion and he asked me if we could do something about cleanliness, electricity and a few other issues he mentioned. So I'm truly honored to share, sir, that some of your visions are now being implemented in the form of Green Force and other things. As for electricity also, we are having the entire MECL team from Shillong coming down next week to Patharkhmah, and the entire whole structure right from Lilac to Patharkhmah is being done in a new way, sir, under RDSS. So with that being said, it is truly an honor and privilege to be present here to mark this milestone movement. For those of you who know, on March 23rd, I think Babak is here, it was 23rd March, that an appeal was made to the residents of Patharkhmah that whether we can clean Umshayat River. I just got down, sir, on my vehicle one day and I saw a beautiful sunset, and below the sunset I saw a completely different story. It was entirely littered, the entire river bank was dirty, and I happened to just sign an administrative order banning any littering activity, and that I personally feel is the easiest thing to do. You just sign an order, you put it on a notice board, whether it gets followed or not, who bothers. But I'm truly grateful to the headman and the youth club, Patharkhmah Youth Club and Social Welfare Organization. They took it very seriously, and without any follow-up from my end, they themselves went on one Saturday and they cleaned the entire river down, sir, of that Umshayat bridge stretch, and now it is completely unrecognizable from what it used to be. So the journey also got covered in India Today, Hub News, Shillong Times, and the leading national and regional newspapers, and everybody was talking about it. But we thought that this should not be a one one-time thing, sir. It should not be something that we just do once and forget about. After repeated discussions with the local authorities and the youth clubs, we decided that we want to do it in a more routine and in a more structured manner instead of keeping it as a one-time thing, sir. So the result was the inception of this Green Force, wherein we decided that we will provide all these volunteers with proper cleaning kits, sir. Not just a t-shirt, the t-shirt is something symbolic which they can wear with pride, but we are giving them garbage picking sticks, garbage bags, protective boots, face covers, masks, gloves, and all other things that by and when they tell us they need, we will be providing them, sir, under your leadership and guidance. So with that being said, sir, I would just take this moment to brief you that
Gidon ki officers ki betrayshtom gidon kam ya ka support ba pinaya ka jing trailer ka combination apne ki officers ringkat ba unong hikmat jampi nangka ringkat ba mapi ki panong solution ikut sama Kibadai ke lawai dan kebenca ke society bat ke lawai dan ke jalan beliau dan ke lawai dan ke jelah ke jemi. Kilau kami kibisip ke kebenca ke krau kilau tu kikam nak kebenca pada don kebenca lang. Kiran kam ye kecil terelang aparo kebenca. Dan kompeti kebenca kesini bingo menteri lalu menpelaj paiba. Nak kebentar kini kesijam keberingkong nak kebentar penuh penjawapan berkat kejing khuid kejing suba juga memari kijaga kebuka ilung kiwa baru kejing yang kejing penek yang kidin kisi kini baru kini kebentar kiba mangi kita pension kia Karena joy itu ba video ya ke spah juga pyrthei kendai pinduno ya ke khuid ke suba pinduno ya ke air ubi kalau air khuid kaba mangi don kam nak menca pangiyo penting mesin ke jenis yang kita kejumpi hari ini sini kalau kantak dan nusa nak kebenca dan lawai kaba kikun kijasi kidon kam nak kebenca kalenti kaba pi pinyalam iki aglanti kaba baik kalenti kaba maki kinbun ya kisejam kima pi pia shekma Kejisi menta ikut sama ilong be grandpa kene kapur nak menta kene cleaning drive kalong shimenta kum kejing kesilkia ba kunju kalong shimenta nak menta kejing rakir dan kejing mau ba ngine ban pensa penne ya kejing khuid kemarin ba ngine ban pensa penne ya iklau kita Baru kirang kisah shillong, ki seng sama shillong, ki seng long kami, but ki pajwa baru kami cuma. Nakalian jangi kum kinong yalang ngisong kumen habang bagi pajwa kinong shillong, kikiu. Abaru kibenta nikwa ba inong shong kijongi kibadon apo konsensi kijongi kindap pinbian kinkiu syukrang abaru kibenta tenagalian soka idon yang kita kajing anglo di kajing chang nak benta batnang kinkiu susu abaru kibenta lagrong infrastructure kajing tei lagrong nak benta ki Lajo kami jam, lambda kilo kudu kebentar kaba lam kecil ikut sama haki lain suka ber. Idon yang tak tahu agak cikgu nak kebentar kumlo penyiaram nak kebentar jauhi baru nangwa kalenti kapernai kandon dan kementai jambi.
MeghalayaPost.news.